Hey guys, Steve Rovithis here with Rovithis Realty. So excited to give you a little bit of an update on the Rovithis Business Center. We broke ground, as many of you know, back in January. Hey guys, we're in the lounge area now. This is an area that we've designed to be a place where you can hang out a little bit. You could definitely meet with clients, do a little bit of work. We're gonna put a full kitchen in over in this area. Here we're gonna have a big projection screen. We could do a company-wide meeting or big team meetings or some trainings in here with this big expansive wall. On the other side of the lounge area, we're gonna have like a breakfast bar type of situation. If you wanna just come in, work on your laptop. We'll have some restaurant style booths on this side, gas fireplace, loungy feel, a couple more booths on the other side. Then in the back, we're gonna just set it up as more of a hangout space. So maybe a foosball table, maybe we have some shuffleboard, some big screen TVs. So definitely a place where we want our agents to be able to come, work, and have some fun. Let's go check out the sales floor. This is our final area. This is the sales floor. Most important part, right? This is where we're gonna get the work done. So super expansive space. We've got some executive suites on this side. On this wall, we are going to have some of our ancillary businesses, mortgage, real estate school. On the far wall, we're going to have our commercial division, another conference room, and then an attorney in the final spot. So right here where I'm standing, this is our sales floor, a whole bunch of cubicles for agents to come in, work, make their dials, and be productive. So really appreciate you guys coming on this tour and can't wait to show you the final product in April. Thanks so much.
Our agent launch program is designed for prospective new agents to begin their training with one of the top tour systems.
And we want to work with you!
And one of the things that we've done is try to share ideas cross-platform, cross-brokerage.
Hey guys, it's Steve Rovithis here. I'm Steve Rovithis, broker owner of Rovithis Realty. What does broom clean mean anyways?
Yeah, out there? Yeah, get out there.
Perfect. That's it. That's it.
Hey everyone, it's Steve Rovithis here. We're live at our 5K walk run at the School Street Park. At Rovithis Realty, we are committed to creating local jobs in our community. As a broker and team leader, I've helped agents sell hundreds of millions in real estate, and some of the top questions I get are, how did you help an agent sell over 40 transactions in his first full year and get on pace to double that in year 2? How did you get an agent that didn't sell any properties in his first year to start averaging 3 a month? How did you guide a part-time agent who only sold 1 deal in her first year to do 17 in a 5-month period? And how did you create an onboarding and training platform that has experienced agents asking, how come nobody ever taught me this stuff? When I started Rovithis Realty, I knew that I wanted to make community a focal point of our organization. Thank you all so much for joining us on this journey and believing in my vision. It's time we take this agency to the next level. And in order to do that, I believe it's time to drop this.